We're doing this. That was so not cool. No, you gotta do it. You gotta get up here and get some footage from up here. It is so sweet.
There it is. $6 worth of otherwise perfectly good watermelon.